Hey everybody, welcome to the little RC-Junky tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to explain to you what the hell is this tool for. Now, a lot of you who bought Tamiya truck kits got one of these in your kit. Sorry for the shine, I'm just trying to show you the shape of the tool. Now, this tool is actually a circlip insertion and removal tool, or E-clip as some people would like to call it. So the way this tool works, and I shall show you the application side of things first, is you have this part here is for actually putting on circlips or E-clips, and this part is for taking them off. So I shall show you very quickly on how to put one on. This is just on the back of my rear steer conversion. Please excuse the servo, that's only for mock-up and other parts. This is not the final design. So we have our little pin through here that takes an E-clip. We put the actual E-clip on the part here. Always the fiddliest part is getting it actually on, and as you can see I've dropped mine. That's why every modeler should have a pair of tweezers. Okay, so you can see there we have the clip lined up in the little groove. Now normally Tammy would say get a pair of pliers, shove that in there, but all you really need to do is get the actual little part here. Now I'm holding the pin up with my finger, hopefully you can all see this on here. Use the actual crescent shape here and just push. And the idea of the crescent shape is it gives an even pressure all the way around. So that's how to put an E-clip on. And to remove it, you can actually push it on with this part as well. So if you're using a small one like this, you can use this part to push on, or this part to push off, but this actually is more for bigger ones and for removal. So I shall show you what I mean. If I put this on here, and now we're reversing the tool. So we hold our finger underneath, stop the pin dropping, a thumb behind, stop the pin going too far. And we put that on there, and it's a little fiddly. And what it does is it pushes the E-clip enough that it's off the shaft but hasn't pinged away. Now what I tend to use is this little part here, and I don't know if this is designed for this. I put that little part in there and then just use that to actually pull the clip completely away. Now that, as you see, is completely away there, that clip. And what we'll do is I'll just show you again putting it back on. So this time I'm going to use the small side, finger underneath the pin, thumb here to stop things going too far away, rest that nicely against the back of there, give that a push, and that pushes the part on. So that is what the actual Tamiya tool, when it says E-clip removal or circlip removal tool, that is what it is, and that is roughly how to use it. Now you may have other uses for it. It is, I don't know why it's that shape and what other tools, but that is what it's designed to do. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any other uses for this tool, please put them in the comments, and thanks for watching.